Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. And thought I'd take you along as we go off our way to Damrels. Got Pete in front of me, who's just had his hip replacement done. And he's been off his feet for the last 10 to 12 weeks. And he's sort of finding his way back onto the bike itself. Given that he's got a 1250 GS, it's not the most lightest bike in the world, but it is what it is. Anyway, we're just going a nice little Kalamoto run, just setting a destination of 30 miles. We're going to stop at Damrels first, have a quick coffee, quick sit down, chat, see how he gets on from here down to there, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully he's good to go, and we'll catch you in a bit.
I'm checking the calendar, counting down the days. 11 weeks of stillness in a complicated haze. I grab the keys, I'm calling up my mate. Get your gear on, pretzel, don't be late. We meet at the diner, by the chapter 1 sign. I'm checking the morale, making sure he's doing fine. I call him Princess Pretzel, just to see him roll his eyes. But I know he's itching to hit those Cornish skies. It's not about the speed, it's not about the pace, just about the freedom of this holy place. It's a mission for the spirit, a mission for the soul. Getting my brother back, taking back control. The Kalamoto set, giving us the bends. Just a short run out with the best of friends. Yeah, the itch is coming back. I can see it in his gaze. We're shaking off the rust through the Cornish maze. The engine's finally warming, a familiar steady hum. After such a long time, feels like the day has come. Every gear shift counts, every clutch pull is sweet. Finding that connection between the bike and the street. He's testing the lean, he's pushing the weight, leaving all the worry at the exit gate. We've got a window, a narrow bit of time, got to get back home. But the road is a climb, it's a therapeutic journey, a medicinal flight. Just two old brothers chasing down the light. Yeah, we're shaking off the rust, getting back the feel. Yeah, the road is healing. Ooh. his own rhythm now, shaking off the weeks, making that silent vow. He's testing out the hip, watching where he puts his feet, glad to be away from the couch and off the street. Through the Nanpean curves, the bike is feeling light. He's got a smile now, he's riding through the night. Or at least it feels like when you're pushing the pace. Foxhole to the valley, finding our own space. The mining ghosts are watching, he's holding his line. Princess Pretzel's back and the riding's looking fine. Yeah, we're riding through the dust of the old Cornish hills, chasing down the shadows, living for the thrills. He was what is waiting, dropping down the steep. A promise of the journey is a promise that we keep. It's the pep in the hip, it's the fire in the bone. We're riding for the madness and we're riding for the zone. We've been dancing on the tarmac, playing it smooth, but there's a different kind of hunger starting to move. We're looking for the track where the surface breaks apart, where the gravel tells the story of a rider's heart. The road is just a bridge, it's a way to get prepared for the secrets of the trails that we haven't yet shared. The road starts to narrow, the edges turn to loose. Tomorrow we're ready, we're cutting the noose. No more heavy asphalt, we're craving the grit. The dirt is calling now, yeah, we're ready for it. From the ruts in the valley to the stones on the crest, Princess Pretzel's coming to put his bike to the test. Yeah, we're riding through the dust of the old Cornish hills, chasing down the shadows, living for the thrills. He was what is waiting, dropping down the steep. A promise of the journey is a promise that we keep. It's the pep in the hip, it's the fire in the bone. We're riding for the madness and we're riding for the zone. Yeah, tomorrow's the day. Triggering shadows, probe us in the breeze, rolling through light up with a sense of ease. Passed by new mills, pulled up to the gate, the spot where we faltered, tempted by fate. The first trail we tested, the one we didn't clear. Funny how the ghosts of the past disappear when you've got a bit of distance, a bit of the road. You learn how to carry the weight of the load. Yeah, bright and roundabout, taking it wide. A 800 waking up, feeling the pride. Twisted the throttle, let the cylinder sing, feeling the power that the engine can bring through Penhale and Fratton. The pace starts to climb, making up for the distance, making up for the time. The machine is a beast, yeah, it's thirsty for more. We're knocking on the edge of that off-road door. It's the every single day. Pulling back into chapter 1, parked side by side, tired from the jaunt, stoked from the ride. Pete's talking lanes, yeah, he's pointing at the map, talking about the ones that we left in the trap. But going back there, he says with a grin, ready for the challenge, ready to win. The hips holding steady, the spirit is high under the canvas of the wide Cornish sky. It's not just the riding, it's not just the gear, it's the mates in the moment, making it clear that the trails are still waiting, the mud's turning dry, and we've got a whole season to reach for the sky. It's a full circle journey back to where we began, me and Princess Pretzel hatching the plan. From the road to the gravel, the smooth to the grit, we're better for the struggle. We're learning to sit in the saddle and smile as the miles roll away. Yeah, we're coming back stronger with every single day. Yeah, the lanes are calling, we're going back. He says just me and the princess out on the list.
You're not going to know.
Right now, what I don't think I'll do is I've got too many other things to do when the money is spent, drink and get tired. When I know the bits we were doing, I can do on this, because I was able to do it.
Yeah.
So as long as I'm not trying to do anything more than what we were doing before,
Yeah.
I think right now I'm at a point where my body will hold me up more than the size.
I don't think we would be able to, at the moment, do anything more than what
We were doing before.
we were doing
And
before.
even, like I said, some of the bits we were doing before, even some of that,
It's gonna be a
past
struggle.
what I can do at the moment.
Yeah.
Remember when we went down?
Where you got the
that
right in the
really
middle.
big we went down all that clunky shit and we stopped at the bottom where the church was and I took
Yeah.
a load of pictures because the bikes were fucking bright.
Yeah, I think that would be a struggle.
There's no way I could do that because I actually struggled.
With that, anyway.
The bike struggled before.
But then at the same
So if the
time,
bike struggled without the tyres,
Yeah, but
because
at
it
the
was
same
sliding on the
time-
gravel, I'm going to struggle.
yeah, but think
Because
of
that's the perfect place where I had to fight the bike because of the tyres. I had to fight it.
yeah.
So if I struggled with that before, I'm most definitely going to struggle now because I'm not going to be able to fight it as much now as I did then.
But also, thinking about that one specific site, at that point, we had already been riding for like 8 hours.
Yeah,
Your hip was playing up.
yeah. I was already sore at the bottom.
You were
Well,
sore.
the bottom saying that's it.
Yeah, you were sore, you were already past your point of...
Yeah, I was. But I do know that that's where the bike struggled.
Or was it where you struggled?
No, it was where... Because I was fighting that thing on the bike. Because every time I wanted to
okay.
slow down on the brakes, because there was a lot of riding on stones and the post rocks and things like that as we were going down, it would just put the brakes on and it would just slide.
Yeah.
And
How did you find that?
that was really nice. I'm not hurting. Thank you.